Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Money market graphs can be tricky, but we will master this problem together right now. Let's find a true statement about these interest rates quickly. In the money market, the nominal interest rate represents the opportunity cost of holding cash. When you hold physical money, you are giving up the interest you could earn elsewhere. According to the graph, interest rate I1 is clearly higher than interest rate I2. This means that holding cash at I1 is more expensive than holding it at I2. Consequently, the interest income sacrificed is greater at the higher rate. This confirms that option B is the only correct choice for this specific graph. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and check steps. Trust given data to find the right answer.